Hello. I want to share some new updates that we've done to Prescient Designer to enhance the telemetry and functionality between Prescient Edge and Prescient Designer. Uh, More concretely, we've added, on top of the extensive telemetry that we collect from all the edge devices in real time, we've added CPU information, which was requested by some of our customers. So we've added it. So now with if you have a newer version of Prescient Edge installed, you get CPU usage percentage, and you get CPU load in the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15-minute load, updated every time the device responds to one of Prescient Designer's Keep Alive. And of course, just like any part of the status or device information that you see here in the device card, you can get programmatically with our device status node, which you see here on the left. And in this case, I'm just requesting information from this device DPE1. This device status node is really nice. You can get device status of all provisions devices when anything changes, or the devices that you have in the flow, or just select which devices you want to get real-time status of. I've done a video of this node in the past, and I'll put the link in the description below. But in this case, I just want to get the status information of this device whenever this device status nodes gets a message, instead of just waiting for something to change. And here, I'm just extracting the CPU usage percentage out of the status property of the object that's returned, and then the same for the CPU load. And in addition to that, you see here that we've added a log level information. And this is so that devices that are very constrained in terms of storage, for example, you can actually now set the log level information and the log level at provisioning time, or you can just toggle it here. So here's telling you that the log level is in debug, but if you go to the device context menu, you see this is cycle log level. So when you select this, it will go from debug to info to warning to error, and then cycle back to debug. So you can set it at provisioning time, or you can dynamically change it, and which is helpful, as I said. If a device has very low storage, you can set it to say error, and then if you want to debug something, then you can set it to debug, try to figure out what the problem is, and then once you figure that out, set it back to error. So this last change node is selecting the log level, so you can see it. Of course, you can see it, but as I mentioned, you can also change it through the device sidebar. So if we execute this, you see that in this case, the CPU usage percentage is 0. I mean, the device is not doing anything. And you can see that through the load, which is an array. The first item is the 1 minute load, which is 0%. The 5 minute load is 1%, and the 15-minute load is 2%, and it's in debug mode. So these are really nice additions for managing and observing the fleet of devices, and also to minimize or maximize storage, depending the journal storage, depending on the use case. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you.